आजकल इंडिया में पॉपअप रेस्टोरेंट का कल्चर बहुत चलना शुरू हो गया है। पॉपअप रेस्टोरेंट्स होते क्या हैं? समथिंग दैट कैन जस्ट मशरूम अप एनीवेयर, राइट? सो भले ही वो स्ट्रीट पे पॉपअप हो सकते हैं, मॉल के अंदर हो सकते हैं, इवन अ रेस्टोरेंट कैन हैव अ पॉपअप इनसाइड इट। सो बेसिकली कहीं पे भी अगर आप खाना खाना चाहें नए तरीके का, तो यू कैन गो टू अ पॉपअप रेस्टोरेंट। वेल, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड वंस अपॉन माई किचन। चलिए देखते हैं वंस अपॉन माई किचन का एक डेमो।
If you think good food and new friends are made only when you step out of the house, think again. Pop-up restaurants and supper clubs है the new trend. और ये restaurant pop-up हो सकता है everywhere, anywhere, आपके घर पर भी। Once Upon My Kitchen है ऐसा ही एक unique concept which helps you invite customer to your home and you can serve them a delicious meal.
Hi, I'm Sheetal. I'm co-founder of OnceUponMyKitchen.com. It's really fun and interesting social commerce platform that we've come up with for everyone to basically enjoy. It's got to do with food and meeting people.
It's ironical that something as basic as going and eating in someone's house has to be enabled by an internet medium. Something like this wouldn't have been possible 10 to 15 years ago, but with internet penetration and people comfortable to spend online, people comfortable to go with Facebook, with Twitter, with all of these mediums, I think we're able to kind of provide an experience to youngsters, to anybody who's traveling in the city, to people who want to experiment with great food, to be able to kind of go into other people's homes, book a meal, have a meal over there and savor an experience which was long lost a long time ago.
Inspiration came like all good things from my mom. She would cook such yummy food and I would always think like, Mom, you should start a restaurant. The food cooked in people's homes was something that was like, an untapped, jewel to be discovered.
Sounds exciting. आइए देखते हैं how the concept works.
I've been living in Bombay for the last 11 years and I really miss home food. I was looking for something interesting online, something which is offbeat, something which is different, something which involved food.
There's some interesting food that we keep on coming up with. So we thought might as well, get some interesting people together and host a meal. That sounds like a fun idea. You get to meet interesting people, and especially with the kind of work that I am in, I have a very restricted set of people that I get to interact with. So it's a breath of fresh air for me to, get to meet different people.
You get to know a lot of things which you would not know otherwise, and share my food, which I really wanted to share with people and see how they feel.
I've signed up with OnceUponMyKitchen.com. I'm going to host a meal and let's see how it goes.
आइए जानते हैं whether the guests enjoyed their meals और क्या ये concept वाकई ही एक interesting alternative है restaurants के लिए.
My wife forwarded me a link to Once Upon My Kitchen, and I sort of browsed through that, and I thought it was an interesting concept, and I'm always looking out to go out and meet some new people.
I think it's a great idea to come to someone's place whom you don't know for a meal which you don't know how it's really coming out to be. Of course, the menu I knew from much before, and one of the things I really like is dosa and keema.
Food from the Mediterranean, Italian food, and some very interesting kebabs.
A home-cooked food, but with a person who's not your friend. So the entire idea was very enticing for me.
It's very exciting as a tourist, especially if I'm traveling somewhere or if I want to get to know new people.
I think what works for this concept is it's not just about the food, but it's also a great way to meet new people.
And then he put up some pictures of his house. And I see a scooter which has been converted into a side table, and I see a dining table which is made with an airplane wing, and that's it. I was sold.
It was indeed a really good evening for me. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
So ये रहा Once Upon My Kitchen, जो है एक exciting portal to tickle your taste buds with some delicious and healthy food. And what's more, you end with new connections and make new friends. So check out OnceUponMyKitchen.com.